FairCom is a company that works with data, mostly data management, and we are at Automate 2024 to show some of our solutions that help customers to manage their data in manufacturing floor. Automate 2024 is very important for FairCom because we have a solution to help customers to collect data from the factory floor and integrate this with the back office, so either the ERP or the cloud. And we have noticed here that more and more customers are trying to get this data out of the factory floor, connect machines, and transform this data into kind of uniform data model. Our solution helps them to build this data model in a more efficient way and transform and transport the data to different places. But now it's the moment with IoT and edge computing, which essentially means get this data and do more with it. So that's where artificial intelligence and machine learning, all those technologies come in. They pretty much need all the data. We help them collect all the data, protect all the data, and use this data to add value to the factory floor. I think attendees here coming to the convention, I think it's very important for them to realize that I think they have to be brave. They're probably seeing a lot of artificial intelligence and new technologies coming in, probably scary to some extent. The attendees here should look at the show as, hey, that's a new era, and actually good that you're here, so just pay attention to what's new here and take it off, you're gonna end up using that. I think it's essentially be brave.